Okay, we've got these logs. Actually, we forgot to do a video of loading them down there, but we got to go back and get, we're going to have to cut one of them in two, and that'll make 3. So we're going to go back and get 3 more. But I was going to show you this thing. This boy wants me to saw this up for him for a tabletop also, but you can't see, you can't hardly count these rings. They're so close together. They are really close. The boy down there said he counted 165 and he got out here on the end and they were so close he couldn't separate them, couldn't tell one from the other. So apparently that tree is not that big a tree. I've cut bigger, got some laid on the ground over there, as a matter of fact. That's probably a little bigger, but or just as big anyway, but not nearly as old. I think those are around 60 some odd years old. But if you look, see these growth rings, how close they are, man. And when they get out here, they just, I mean, they're really close together. And I don't know if you could, I suppose if you got it cleaned up enough and sanded off, maybe you might, well, that's got tar on it, so I can't scrape that dirt off. And then you can't count the rings when you do that. But at any rate, I'm going to saw this one up for him. I got to wash it. It's got sand, dirt all over it. And then he gave me the rest of them. You know, just give them to me. So we're going to make some more boards. And I'll let Kate film this while I see if I can roll that log off of there. And I don't know. Can't do it. You can cut that off and let me go get that. Alright, they're landing on this side. Okay.
Come here, Sally. Come here. You disturbed the ant bed over here. You done got them all mad. You don't think you can roll it with that?
I can't reach it.
With this?
Yeah, that's what but I was wondering if it's going, I better pull up because if it comes back,
it'll roll up against the tire.
Yeah. So let me pull up.
All right there's the ant bed. You would like to have stood right in it. He's gonna pull up so he can roll that other log off. Right there will be fine. What?
You're getting text messages. I heard your phone dinging.
Okay, well.
I should be able to roll this off.
Yay!
Okay, we went down there and got those other pieces, and it's the same way. It's pretty tight grained stuff. Of course, there's one there that's short, but I'll make boards out of it. That other one has 8 foot, a little over 8 foot, and the other one's a little over 16 foot. But so we're gonna push these off the trailer, and we'll be through gathering logs for the day, I guess. But that's some good pine right there. It really is. This one's got an old lightning scar in it, so I don't know what it's going to be like when I get in there to it. Get to sawing it. But we'll see. Y'all have a nice day.